the Magic Mouse. It's one of my favorite tech products of all time. In fact, I love it so much that I started thinking about getting a second Magic Mouse so I can charge my first Magic Mouse, just like that, and continue using my second Magic Mouse. You got the idea.
This is the smartest mouse we've ever made.
Incredibly intuitive.
Honestly, I don't know why this product is so controversial. I know why, but I don't know why people hate this product so much just because of this. But if you look at that, if you look at this Magic Mouse a little bit closer, it's beautiful, it's functional, and it's so much Apple. This product represents the DNA of Apple. The Magic Mouse was designed by Sir Jony Ive, the legendary Apple designer. This guy made the most controversial Apple design ever. Let's listen what Jony Ive said about the Magic Mouse design back in the day.
When you first see the mouse, it could not be any simpler. But I love the way that it scales from being something that is that apparently simple to actually being really remarkably sophisticated. We'd finally figured out how to take the multi-touch technology and implement it on a mouse. It's still a point-and-click mouse, but now the entire top surface of the mouse is basically it's a multi-touch sensor.
This is the smartest mouse we've ever made. There's a chip inside that acts essentially as a brain. As you put your fingers on the top shelf, it can determine where they're located, how many you have, and through your gesture, your movement, it can determine what your intent is.
You can scroll anywhere on that top surface, you can swipe. It is incredibly intuitive. You can use it without thought, it's just the way that you would have expected the mouse should have always worked.
And this Magic Mouse represents the essence of beauty, of functionality, but it's not very ergonomic, I should admit. It's not very comfortable to use, but I made a Reddit post about this mouse and people said horrendous things about this mouse. You deserve it because you bought it. It's shit. Get yourself a real mouse. Okay, wanna see the real magic? When I say smash that like button, the like button will glow up on your screen. If you use the right software with this Magic Mouse, you can transform it into a real trackpad. You can browse, open windows, you can make custom gestures. Of course, the biggest controversy is this charging port. I know it looks stupid, I know it looks a little bit okay, but you have to do that only, I'm charging this mouse every 3 or 4 months, so it's not a big deal. While this mouse is charging, I can do different things. I can drink a cup of coffee, I can go on a quick walk, so it's not a big problem. And when you use this device, you don't see any ugly ports. Everything is hidden. It's so genius. If you think about this design solution is very unusual, very, how to say it in English? It's very unconventional. It's a very unconventional decision. It's a brave decision. It's a very brave decision because, everyone hates it. Yeah, Apple is stupid, Jony Ive is stupid. It's bad, it's ugly, but it's brilliant, it's genius. Honestly, I think Apple should make this product even more expensive, because I think nowadays you can find this Magic Mouse on sale on Amazon for just $60. $60 is like a price of a cup of coffee in a good restaurant. No, I'm kidding, of course, they should not make it more expensive. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this product? Do you like it? Do you hate it? I think it's a love-hate relationship. Whether you like it or you hate it, it's here. And my favorite Magic Mouse.